I'm in the small town of Mocksville, North Carolina, and I'm selling my beautiful Mini. What a gorgeous day. I'm relaxing and enjoying myself. Stay till the end, guys. You get to watch this beautiful fire engine close up. If anybody knew how many hours it has taken to make this Mini look as beautiful as it does, it has ceramic coating all over it, that clear bra, gorgeous Fine Lab system. Oh boy, I love that stuff. And oh, HRE custom wheels, that's insanely crazy. All this 3M striping all blows white at night because it reflects even all the black on the car. Oh, stay to the end, guys. You get to see a beautiful fire engine. I know this is a little different than my normal show, but you know, a guy's got to do what a guy's got to do. I love this little town. I've done a lot of work down here and it's a blast. So watch the rest of the show and tell your friends about my beautiful Mini Cooper. Yeah. Every once in a while, guys, locksmithing has its perks. How many times you get to sit down in a beautiful town, Mocksville, North Carolina, maybe never, and you get to enjoy the fire department and all the mayhem that goes down in a small town. I'm having a blast living here. So please subscribe to my channel, tell your friends, and I'll really have lock and door tips someday. Stay tuned. Hit that like button. Tell your friends. Thanks a lot, guys. Look at this gorgeous machine. The guys pulled in. They backed up and pulled in here. I mean, this is a tight spot, right? They backed up like pros. They must teach them something down there. Right against this 100-year-old building. Look at this. An old oil building. Is this cool or what, guys? Come to Mocksville. It's a beautiful place to live. I might as well be their tour guide. I do love Mocksville. And you know, if you ever get a chance to sell a car, what a great place to have some fun to do it. Oh man, great fire department truck. They keep them so pretty. Look at that thing. Work of art. No wonder they keep them for 50 years. That is one beautiful machine. Wow. Sitting down here in Mocksville. Who'd dream?